Making the Move with Patty Tipp.
Hi there, Patty Blossfeld here, real estate agent with Coldwell Banker Realty in Morristown, New Jersey, and thanks for checking out my video series, Making the Move with Patty Tipp, where today I talk about boxes. You can't move without them. So here are some thoughts I have on boxes. One is the box size. I tended to stay with small to medium-sized boxes, not those really large ones that are great because they hold a lot, but they also are very awkward to carry and to move around. So I just found the medium to small sizes worked way better. I could move them. I didn't have to ask my husband to move them for me when we got to the new house. So that's my thought on that. Now, getting boxes. With all the boxes that are out there, with all this online ordering, you really shouldn't have to pay to get boxes. Put out the word. Family, friends, coworkers, your real estate agent. We always know someone who just moved. I had a friend of mine that reached out. She worked for a hospital and had so many boxes for me. It was amazing. And then, of course, my favorite page on Facebook, Buy Nothing. You could always put a post on your Buy Nothing page in search of boxes and then just drive around and pick them up. Lots of people have them. Another thing, liquor stores, they have a lot of boxes. You can't just take them though. You know, they need them for their customers. But if you buy wine or if any of your friends buy wine, tell them to grab you some because the wine boxes are great because they have separators for like 12 bottles. So it's so easy to pack your wine glasses in there or even your glassware, and you don't really have to wrap them up. You just stick them in all the separators, tape the box, and you're done. So, you know, I found that super easy, super helpful. Now, thank you for checking out my video today. So I'm really hoping you check my next episode because I will have a guest on my show and I am on location. So thanks for stopping in today. Have a great day and I'll see you real soon. Take care.
Making the Move with Patty Tipp.